All right, well, welcome to your second day of remote learning, and I was really excited to see you guys in class today and to start to get to know you, to see, what you put together on your collage slides, and hopefully you are working on getting your seeds planted. So what you guys do need to do today is if you did not get your seeds planted yet, make sure you get those planted so that they can start growing, and make sure you take note of what day it is that you're planting them. Don't forget to poke holes through the top of the little plastic container. Put the string through it so it's a wick so that it hangs into the bigger container. Cover that string with your soil. Get it good and wet. Plant your seeds about a pinky depth at noon, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, kind of around the center of that cup. Or not the center, but around the edges of the cup. And then set it somewhere where it's going to get some good sunlight and grow. And then we'll talk more about what you need to do with it as you're starting to make some observations. It'll be about a week before they'll start to sprout. After you get your seeds planted, you are going to do your Flipgrid introduction video. And so I'll remind you of where that is here in a second on the classroom. Your knowledge probes, start working on that for the natural selection unit, which is 22.3. And then I'm going to have you take a look at all the collage slides because we've got group A and B's images in there now. So I want you to start to look at what group B put in and to make some comments on the group B, and also you can look at some of your classmates. So let's take a quick look at Classroom so you guys know where stuff is at when we look there. So with the Classroom, you are going to the Flipgrid is right down here. Okay, so you'll click on the Flipgrid, and then remember when you click Flipgrid, you'll log in with your FHPS email. So this one you will put the @fhps.net, and then your password, and then you can do the recording. Okay, don't forget you can click the little book at the top, and it'll give you the questions, and you can put the sticky note there. All right. Okay. So you're going to work on the knowledge probes, which you can get from here on just 22.3 is the only thing that you're going to work on. And then the other thing that I would like you to do is to go on to the who's in the classroom, and you're going to look at the A group slides. All right, so you're going to look at the slides from the group that is that were already there when you started to put yours in, and I want you to go through, and you can make a comment and then ask a question. And there can only be 2 comment/questions per slide. So you guys are going to have to go through and look at the slides that the group did from on Monday and make something that you notice and then ask them a question. Okay. You could also, and then maybe even something that is similar to you would be another way to comment too. And I might say, I used to have a frog as a pet that looked like yours. Okay. And then that's something that's similar to what I do, what I've noticed on her pictures, and then I can ask her a question about that. And then once the A group people will go in and do the same thing to your slides, you will then go in and answer the questions that they asked of you. All right. So enjoy your second remote day, and I will look forward to seeing you in class on Thursday. Have a good day.